Hello friends, welcome to Sana's kitchen. Today I am going to make Paneer Kolhapuri. Heat a pan, add 2 teaspoon white sesame seeds, then 2 cardamom, 1 cinnamon stick, 4 cloves, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, 4 Kashmiri dry red chilies. Now saute it for 2 to 3 minutes in a low flame until it turns aromatic. So once it turns aromatic, add about 2 tablespoons of coconut. Here I used dry coconut. You can also use grated coconut. Now saute until coconut turns golden in color. The coconut has turned to a golden color. So now turn off the flame and let it cool completely. So once it's cool, transfer it to a blender and blend it coarsely. Don't add water. So now the kolhapuri masala is ready. Set it aside. Now into a blender add about 2 tomatoes chopped. Then add small piece ginger, 10 to 12 cashew nuts. Grind it to a smooth paste and set it aside. Heat a pan, add 1 tablespoon oil. Once oil is heated, add half teaspoon cumin seeds. Then add 1 onion finely chopped and saute until onion turns translucent. Once onion turns translucent, add 1 by 4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder and saute well until raw smell goes off. Then add in the tomato paste and saute well until oil separates from the tomato paste. Now the oil has started to come out from the gravy. Now add in the kolhapuri masala and mix it well. Now add water and adjust the consistency. The kolhapuri gravy should be thick, it should not be thin, so add water accordingly. Add some salt to taste and mix well. Now let it come to a boil. If the gravy is too thick, you can add little water and adjust the consistency. Now add 150 grams of paneer and give it a mix. Now cover the pan and cook for 3 to 4 minutes in a medium flame. So it's done. Finally add some chopped coriander leaves and mix it well. So that's it. Paneer Kolhapuri is ready. Do try this recipe at your home, and if you like the recipe, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.